So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can update an iPhone. So here on the home screen, I have this settings widget. I need to tap on this, scroll down until I see general. But before we go there, I just want to say that if you have an update available on the software level, it would also be appearing on the screen here. So I can see that iOS 15.2.1 is available. So I scroll down and like I said, I head towards general. And here I can see there's clearly a section that's titled software update. Need to tap on this and I need to check whether I have any update available here. And you will see that there is this iOS 15.2.1 and like if I have to update to this, I simply need to tap on install now. And here I will be required to put in my passcode. So once I put in that, and there you go. So I need to simply agree to this, agree, and there you go, it's verifying the update and shortly the update shall process. So the screen goes blank and then in a short while you will see all the stuff happening. There you go, we had the famous Apple icon coming on the screen and that's basically indicator that the update is on progress. You can see the small little revolving icon here. And now clearly we have basically a progress bar which lets us know how much of the update is getting completed. So I'll just pause here for some time until the update is almost over and then we'll resume. So as you can see, a part of the update has already completed and it's still in progress. And there you go, it's completed. I'm looking at different languages coming here. So it's okay, I will enter my passcode. And here you can see it says the software update has been complete. Your phone has been updated to iOS 15.2.1. I can simply tap on continue and we can proceed. So we are required here to put in our Apple ID password and then we can enter. So hopefully this helps. If it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Tap on the bell icon for notifications and also please share this with your friends on social network. If you have any comments, then please put it in the comment section. Also, please like our video. I mean, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.